This is Hotei, one of the legendary yokai gods. On the Yokai Watch 3 video games, Hotei has healing powers. He can heal himself and his allies. I have him on my set. I've befriended him before. And he's got really long Super Saiyan-like hair. His hair stands on end. It's like troll hair. Don't even remind me about the movie. It had a sequel on demand. It didn't even get to theaters. I hear there's going to be a third movie. Whenever it's Thanksgiving, all I can think about is that show. It did show up on Netflix once. And now it's now on Universal Kids, the same channel as my favorite channel, Terrific Trucks. I'm still praying to God that they'll have more episodes. Now we just have to draw his fan. At least I think it's a fan. It looks like Brooks' guitar. There we go. Now here's the guitar-like sword. I just draw this part here. There we go. Now we'll just draw the bottom of his pants. Here are his. Whoa! I did not expect that. I didn't expect Hotei to be barefoot. I feel like the robe should be lower downward. Just erase this. There we are. Now we just draw this Santa Claus bag on his back. Now we just draw this mark here. And done. There he is. That's how you draw Hotei, one of the yokai gods. Be sure to post a comment below on... Oh shoot, forgot to draw the lines. Here. And done. There he is. That's how you draw Hotei. With his... special healing powers. Just to remind you, I will draw the rest of the gods. I feel like there's 2 left. You guys let me know which one I'm gonna draw next. I've been having a hard time finding my Machismo Chromebook episode. I just want to place a thumbnail on it. If you find it, let me know. Anyhow, that's how you draw a Hotei. Just let me know what fighter you want me to draw next. Farewell and good night. And be sure to subscribe thousands of times. And be sure to press the like button. My Yokai Watch playlist is really, really long. I don't know how many I've drawn. Just let me know when it's gonna come. What do you want me to draw next? Good night.